Okay guys, another video for the giveaway. I like this setup right here. That's a coffee table and that's a magazine rack. It's two different pieces and they're not like nailed to each other or nothing like that. I just got the magazine rack sitting on top and it's pretty cute. It's not even the same kind of wood or the same kind of color, but I like the little setup. It's cute. But my question for y'all, don't y'all think it's cute? Do y'all like it? What would y'all store on and in this little setup? That's your next question. So I know none of you's got anything like this, so you probably can't make a video, but leave me a comment under this video telling me what y'all think would be good to store on and in this little setup. Alright. Toodaloo until the next one.